Neural networks have revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence, enabling machines to mimic human-like decision-making processes. At their core, neural networks consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process information in a way reminiscent of human brains. By understanding their architectural diversity, we can appreciate the capabilities they bring to various applications. The simplest form of a neural network is the feed-forward network, where information moves in one direction, from input to output. This architecture comprises layers: an input layer that receives data, one or more hidden layers that analyze the information, and an output layer that delivers the final result. Each connection between neurons has an associated weight, which adjusts as the network learns, fine-tuning the performance of the model. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, represent a more complex architecture designed specifically for processing grid-like data, such as images. By employing a series of convolutional layers, CNNs extract features with spatial hierarchies. These layers help preserve the spatial relationships in images, allowing the network to recognize patterns, from edges to shapes, like an artist creating a masterpiece. CNNs have transformed fields like computer vision, enabling applications ranging from facial recognition to medical image analysis. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, offer a different approach, focusing on sequences of data. Unlike feed-forward networks, RNNs use loops to enable information from previous time steps to influence decisions in the present. This architecture is particularly effective in natural language processing, where context and order are crucial. Imagine a storyteller weaving together a narrative where every word builds upon the last. RNNs capture this essence, powering applications such as language translation and sentiment analysis. Transformers have emerged as a groundbreaking architecture, combining the strengths of both feed-forward and RNNs. By employing self-attention mechanisms, transformers can weigh the importance of different parts of the input, allowing them to analyze context without relying solely on sequence order. This innovative approach has led to advancements in generating coherent text and enhancing conversational AI systems, demonstrating the vast potential of transformer models. In summary, understanding neural network architectures illuminates the powerful methodologies behind artificial intelligence's expansion. From simple feed-forward networks to sophisticated transformers, each architecture serves a unique purpose in extracting insights from data. As technology continues to evolve, embracing these diverse architectures allows us to harness the full potential of neural networks in tackling complex challenges across multiple domains.